to Gray's World. Hi guys, welcome to Pool World. I'm Gray, he's Dad, and today we are doing the water table. There's a boat challenge.
Boat challenge. That looks like Goofy. That looks like Goofy. What can you make slide down the slide? How about that ball? See if that'll slide down the slide. Whoop.
So it can slide down the slide.
Do it again.
Whoop. This has to be. Whoop.
Now what about it?
Maybe this.
What about some water up here?
Well, I have to do this first.
Whoop. A boat.
Hey, what is my windshield broken?
Now what about? How does? Oh yeah, do some water up there. Oh, that makes the wheel turn around, don't it?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Then it cleans the roof. You guys, it cleans the roof.
Excellent. Why don't we see how the wheel works?
Oh, okay.
Don't do it,
So
too,
if you
don't
want-
do it too fast because we'll get the camera wet. Wow, that is pretty amazing how that works.
So it does it like this. You guys see it? And see Fingy trying to go underwater? My whole hand go in there and my other whole hand go in there.
I like that slide. That slide's pretty neat.
Who loves the slide?
I like that slide right there.
Oh,
I like how you can put stuff on it and it slides in the water. Oh, look who came to visit us, Gus.
it's
Look, it's Gus. Come here, Gus. Tell everybody hey.
It's
The golden retriever, Gus. All right, let's do some tricks, Gus. Come here, Gus. We're gonna do some tricks. You gotta see it. You gotta see it. How about shake, shake, shake? Good job. That's 2 hands. You only got to do 1. Come on, see it. Good boy.
Dad,
Say good job, Gus.
good job, Gus.
All right. Come on, Gus.
Ow,
Go on,
Gus.
Gus, and lay down.
Ow, Gus.
Go.
Ow, Gus.
We're filming an excellent water table video.
I'm just getting wet.
That water's kind of cold. Turn that.
Boing, 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 boing. Did you guys get wet?
Go spin it around. I'm gonna make the boat go down.
This is what you have to do. Look, the boatman is underwater.
Boatman underwater. Such an amazing little contraption that they made. But kids love water, don't they? Don't they, Greg?
You see this little water bowl here in my hand?
Mm-hmm.
Why I named Bowl?
Oh, you named him a ball?
Yeah.
That was pretty unique. How'd you name him that?
So you put Bowl inside the water, and when you squeeze him again, not underwater, water comes out of him.
Oh, nice.
Boom. Boom.
Alright, let's set this. Move that, and we'll set this right there. And now use that spinner. Let's see how that works.
So, you see the sandcastle saying what's full of water?
Right.
Put the water in.
Ah, and the water spins the wheel.
And water goes
Look at
in.
it. It's like an hourglass.
Yeah, but it doesn't allow sand, it allows water.
Nice. Oh,
So,
that's awesome.
yeah. If you want to spin faster than ever, use your hand.
Pretty awesome. You're like a trained professional. So how else could you be creative with the water tables?
You know, you see,
So those are in it. You could take those and swap those back and forth.
yeah, and you guys see the little holes in this?
But didn't you put this up there and use it like that?
Yeah, well, I got to show everyone this. So, everyone, do you see these little holes in the roof?
Mm-hmm.
Let me show them.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See those?
So,
Okay.
you have to put water in here.
And then it
Them-
comes out down there.
Yeah.
All right.
You guys, now you know what this is for.
That's awesome. Good deal.
You guys remember the little water bowl?
Mm-hmm.
Squeeze it. If you squeeze it in here, it would give water.
You know what you could also do with the
What?
ball?
What?
You could also take the water ball and put them in the boat and push them around.
That's a great idea, Daddy Head.
Uh-huh. Now push the boat around.
Oh, this shovel and this thingy here is gonna be our magicians.
Or what?
Magicians,
Magicians?
you know. Our best magicians.
Oh, yeah.
So, Ball's motorboat is gonna be destroyed. He fought out of his boat. He rolled out of his boat. He goes underwater. He squeezed. Then
Squeeze the bally. Okay. You give an okay for that, Gus?
hey, see Ball, he's all crumbled up. And now he's normal. You see this? Pour water in here with this. Then do this. Then do this. Then do this. You remember this? Put water in here. And do where's water?
Great job. Great. All right. We'll see everybody on the next video.
Like and subscribe to our channel now.